a lot of snow, huh?
I'm gonna go and see how much.
Look, you could tell right here where the car is. Look, it's like my hand.
It's like almost. It's not half of my arm.
It is not recommended to go out when there is a winter.
Yeah, because it's
When there's
crazy.
When there's a snowstorm. But the curious people that we are,
and we can't even see it like
That much.
we don't even know if the roads are clean or anything. But we need to go to the store, and here we go.
How you doing, sir? How you doing? There you go. Are you gonna go shredding today? Look at that, man.
That's deep too. Hello. That's bad. Yo, we came all this way, and I think the store's closed.
I hope not.
Or I don't know if they're waiting for it to open, or
Oh, maybe it's we came too late.
yeah, I think it's closed.
Yeah, because we came too late.
How? We came so early.
It's early still.
What?
They open at 9. It is currently
10:22.
Okay, look this. Can you see?
Was the thing closed or what?
Well, they tried to go in and they tried to open the doors and they couldn't. And second set of people and the doors are closed. We ain't going nowhere.
What's going on? Oh, let me just check.
Javi, come here. ¿Me vas a ayudarla también o qué chingados?
Thank you.
Ay, niños. Don't be spitting in no damn snow.
No, también es que if you brake.
Brake with caution. Go slow. Don't speed.
I don't.
Little head pasa. No, the clouds are coming.
Well, maybe that's where they were at.
That's what. No. Mira, todos salieron por el pana hoy. Everyone went crazy. That was like a fun job.